This is Xiaomi 13 and today I would like to demonstrate how you can download and install the Fortnite game on it. So to start, you will need to launch the Google search engine. That's the tool or the search that I always use, so I recommend that you use it as well. At the search bar, type in Fortnite APK. Then among the search results, you gotta look for either official epicgames.com website or Fortnite.com website. Either one of those will work, so choose whatever pops up first. Then confirm that you would like to still download the file, open it, grant Google Chrome or any other browser that you use the install unknown apps permission. Then confirm that you would like to still install the Epic Games launcher or Epic Games Store. Then open it. Onwards, once the Epic Games launcher gets opened, or loaded rather, open the Fortnite game page and tap the install button over here. Now we will wait for a brief moment Now we will wait for the Fortnite to get downloaded and then we will proceed. As you can see, we are once again asked to grant another app. This time it's Epic Games Store, the install unknown apps permission. So we will repeat this process the same we did for Google Chrome in my case. So grant this permission real quick, then confirm the Fortnite installation. And after the game gets installed, you can just go ahead and open it or launch it. And to the last thing that you will need to download is some updates and resources. So after the almost 7 gigabytes of this additional data will get downloaded, you will be finally able to start playing the game. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching and bye bye.